If you've been scrolling online for the latest hair growth solutions, you've probably seen ads for the Vortex Hair Care Wand, a device that claims to stimulate your scalp, promote natural hair growth, and make your hair stronger. But is it really worth your money or just another overhyped gadget? The company behind the Vortex pushes it hard, boasting claims like 200% hair growth improvement and clinically tested technology. But let's take a closer look at what we actually found. On the positive side, the product has been featured on outlets like Medium and Tech Bullion, and yes, there is proof of those mentions. It has also been demonstrated by professional hair care specialists, and some users online report that they've seen improvement in hair thickness and growth after sticking to the full routine, not just the wand itself. So far, so good, but here's where things get a little tricky. When you dig into the science, there's no solid evidence that the Vortex Hair Care Wand can deliver anywhere near the results it promises. Certainly nothing close to 200%. The terms clinically tested and esthetician recommended sound great, but when you search for actual studies or verifiable expert endorsements, there's nothing concrete to back them up. Then comes the marketing side, and this is where red flags start to pop up. Aggressive countdown timers, flashy limited-time discounts, and pop-ups that pressure you to buy before you're ready. The website reviews also seem suspiciously polished, showing an average of 4.8 stars with almost no negative ratings, which doesn't quite match up with real-world feedback. On Trustpilot, for example, the brand holds a more mixed 3.3-star rating, and some buyers have complained about customer service and refund issues. So is the Vortex Hair Care Wand legit or scam? Honestly, it lands somewhere in the middle. There are a few good signs, but also a lot of reasons to be cautious.